Okay, if you're running a growing business, you know that your ambition and the tools you use have to be in perfect sync. So today, let's talk about how you can stop just managing your finances and start truly future-proofing them for whatever comes next. So let me just ask you this, straight up. Is your current financial software the launchpad for your growth, or is it kind of like an anchor holding you back? It's a really important question because, let's be honest, the systems that got you here probably won't get you where you want to go. And if you're feeling that friction, I bet some of these probably look familiar. We're talking about data scattered all over the place in different spreadsheets, those manual processes that just eat up all your time, and that nagging feeling that you're making huge decisions without really seeing the full live picture. These aren't just little annoyances, they are the hard limits of old systems. But what if you could just break right through those limits? The answer isn't another spreadsheet or another standalone app. Nope, it's about moving to one single, unified platform that finally brings everything together. And this is what that looks like. This right here is Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. And it's not just another piece of software. Think of it like a central hub, a command center designed to connect your people, your processes, and all of your data into one smart, cohesive system. Now, the official term for this is an Enterprise Resource Planning Solution, or ERP. But really, what that means is it's a complete all-in-one system living in the cloud, built from the ground up to make every part of your business run smoother, from finance and sales all the way to your supply chain. Okay, so let's zero in on the absolute heart of any business, the financials. What's so cool about this system is that it's built on a foundation of decades of proven ERP experience, but it's been completely reimagined for how we work today, in a modern, cloud-first world. And that foundation is absolutely rock solid. I mean, you get all the core stuff you'd expect from a top-tier financial system. A powerful general ledger, streamlined AP and AR, you name it. But it goes way deeper, with amazing features like unlimited dimensions, which let you slice and dice your data any way you want, plus detailed fixed asset tracking. This is the kind of power big enterprises use, but it's made accessible for businesses like yours. And this is where all that power really comes to life. See, you're not just collecting data anymore, you're actually using it. This dashboard gives you that 30,000-foot view of your company's health, your KPIs, your margins, but it also lets you drill down into the tiniest details, all in real time. So the big takeaway here is this. It's all about turning your finance department from a simple cost center into a strategic powerhouse. The whole system is designed to help you close your books faster, forecast way more accurately, and get the live metrics you need, all while keeping everything secure and compliant. But look, a solid foundation is just the start. The real game changer, the thing that's truly going to future-proof your finances, is this. Let's talk about your new AI assistant, Copilot. Now, Copilot isn't some separate app you have to open up. It's an AI-powered assistant that's literally woven right into the fabric of Business Central. Its entire job is to take on all that tedious, repetitive work, which frees up your team to focus on what people do best, thinking, strategizing, and growing the business. And this just shows the difference perfectly. Think about bank reconciliation. The old way, right? It's hours of just staring at a screen, manually matching line after line. It's boring, and it's so easy to make a mistake. Now, the new way? Copilot just uses AI to scan the transactions and instantly suggest the right matches. A job that took hours now literally takes minutes. And that's the key. This is so important. It's not just about doing the same old things faster. It's about completely changing how the work gets done. The AI handles all the noise, so your team can focus on the signal, making smarter, more strategic decisions. And this whole idea of working smarter goes way beyond just Business Central itself. It's about how it connects so deeply into the Microsoft tools your team already knows and uses every single day. Just imagine this. A customer emails you a request in Outlook. Instead of jumping to another app, you can pull up their info, create a quote, and send it off right there, without ever leaving your inbox. That is a huge productivity win. It cuts out all that constant app switching that just kills your focus. And for all you finance people out there who basically live in Excel, oh, this is a big one. You can pull live data right out of Business Central, use all the amazing tools in Excel to analyze it or make big updates, and then just publish it right back into the system. It's the best of both worlds. Rock-solid ERP data with the total flexibility of Excel. And finally, it all comes together in Microsoft Teams. You can share live business data right in a chat, look up a vendor's entire history, and make decisions with your team right on the spot. No more, let me get back to you. The data is right there, so you can work faster and smarter together. So when you put it all together, the unified platform, the super deep financial core, the AI assistant, and all those seamless integrations, you're not just getting new software. You are setting out on a path to a real business transformation. And you know what makes this so incredibly powerful is that it combines the absolute best of both worlds. You're getting a solution built on over 30 years of trusted, battle-tested ERP experience, but it's been supercharged with the very latest and revolutionary AI. It's that perfect blend of stability and innovation. So, your journey to a smarter finance function really just boils down to these 3 simple steps. First, you unify all your data. Second, you automate your processes. And third, you unlock a whole new level of insight that's powered by AI. It's a clear, powerful path forward. Which brings us right back to the most important question of all. When you look at where your business is today and where you really want it to go tomorrow, are you truly ready for what's next? If you're ready to take that step, you absolutely don't have to do it alone. At Turnkey Technologies, this is what we do. We help businesses just like yours make this transformation. So let's build your future together.